In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Outlook contacts to Excel CSV files. So here I am in the new version of Outlook. And from here, if you want to export your contacts, you can just go to your contacts settings here in People, and then you can go ahead and click Export right here. So from here, I have 5 contacts selected. I can click Export, and then I can click Export again here. So it says right here that you can export your Outlook contacts and import them into other email applications such as Gmail or Yahoo. And then exporting your contacts will create a CSV file that you can use to upload your contacts to the other applications. And then we're going to export all of our contacts right here, which is the 5 I have selected. So we can click Export. Now we have our contacts.csv file right here. So it is saved in the Downloads folder, which is this one, and then we can open that and we can see the CSV file right here. So we have the first name, last name, and then we have the email addresses. So if you also enter the details for all the other info here, they will also be exported. But since I just exported, I just have the email address and then first and last name. So we just have this. This is what the look will be for your Excel CSV file for your exported contacts. And since I've shown you how to do this using the new version of Outlook, this is also possible in the classic version of Outlook as well. So let me open it. This is the classic version of Outlook. It's basically the same thing. You just need to go right here to People, and then you will have your contacts right here. So what you could do is that you can go to File, go to Open and Export, go to Import/Export, and then click Export to a file. Click Next, use comma separated values, and then clicking Next, and then just go ahead and select your contacts folder, or if you have your separate folder right here for your contacts, you could also use that. So from here, I'm going to use contacts, click Next, and then you can browse and then choose the location where you want to save the exported contacts. And then you can also change the name right here if you want. So I'm just going to use this one. Export email addresses CSV, click OK, click Next, and then click Finish. And then now it should be saved. So now I'll just go to my folder right here, and here is the export email addresses.csv file. So I can open that, and then we have the same or similar look right here. So we have the first name and last name, and then all the other details here, and we also have the email addresses here as well. So it's a bit different from the new version of Outlook, but it is mostly the same. And that is it. That is how we can export our Outlook contacts to an Excel CSV file, both in the new version and classic version of Outlook. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.